38 people have died. It is the largest death toll since this pandemic has started, and no one is telling us why this happened.
A COVID-19 outbreak at this East Vancouver care home has killed 1 in 3 residents. But health officials are still not clarifying what's fed the spread of the virus at Little Mountain Place.
I do know that it has been a very challenging outbreak. It's one of the ones that we know have been incredibly lethal, and one of the reasons why we have so many measures in place in long-term care and why we're focusing our vaccination on long-term care.
Dr. Bonnie Henry was pressed multiple times by reporters Monday regarding the outbreak at the care home, which was declared November 22nd. Since then, 86% of people living at Little Mountain Place have contracted the coronavirus.
There's no one simple thing as well about why it spreads so rapidly in some places versus others. I know Vancouver Coastal has been on site and daily and bringing in staff to support people in Little Mountain, and that it has been very challenging for them.
I'm going to get right to the hardest part of all of this. And I'm sorry, I do still get emotional sometimes.
Updates on numbers are not provided in writing to families, but only through weekly Zoom calls. Several family members who have contacted our sister station News 1130 say they are concerned about what they describe as a lack of transparency. These family members have also said they do not think the home has given them an adequate explanation of how and why so many of their loved ones became sick.
And we try very much to make sure the staffing is maintained, that personal protective equipment is there, and we did that very early for all of our care homes, that the cleaning processes are in place. We have infection control teams that work with the homes, and sometimes it's just an incredible challenge.
And if there are communication issue, I'll be clearly looking at that, and we'll look at that together to make sure that families always have the information they need, and we'll obviously have that discussion with health authorities.
No one from Little Mountain Place has agreed to provide a comment or interview. In East Vancouver, Ashley Burr, City News.